Now, this is a tour of the Union Pacific dining car at the Orange Empire Railway Museum. Yeah, there's the kitchen. Here's the kitchen. And the cook's quarters is all the way down there. Oh, hold on. Yeah, we can actually go through the cook's quarters. There's a large sink, and there's the coffee cans, tins, whatever. And here we are in the kitchen, and that's where they put all the plates and dishes. Whoops, sorry. Well, okay. Now let's go outside and reveal the outside of these passenger cars or coaches, whatever you want to call them. Watch your step. Okay. Yikes. Okay. Let's see. Now there you are. There's the dining car. And over there, from the previous video, is the Pullman. That's the end of this tour.